Hello, dear students. My name is Isaias Santana. I'm recording this video because you need a type of guidance and you are students dedicated to your class. So let me introduce your classroom. This is your classroom. So we have a beautiful pic about English teaching methodology or didactics. We're gonna learn, we're gonna be trained how to teach, and we're going to learn skills in teaching. That is the class about. It's about teaching and English teaching. This video is something, for you to have a guide about the classroom. So we enter our classroom. This is our classroom. We enter our classroom and we see the code of our subject, that is ING 410. ING 410 is the code of our class, sorry, and the section, the cluster, is 003. In Spanish, Didáctica Especial del Inglés 1. So this class, in a face-to-face class, is taught from 7 to 10 a.m. on Saturdays. And we continue that we have a welcome to our classroom. Is in Spanish because it's a welcome and it's an introduction. And we can also see that we have a WhatsApp group. When we enter the WhatsApp group, so we only click methods. So we are joined to the WhatsApp group. I know most of you are already joined to this group. And let's continue. So we have our rules. Of course, the classes are going to be programmed as the university requires on Saturday at 9 a.m. till 9 a.m. But I post them. I allowed students till midnight because they are always complaining about the time, and we have a lot of handicaps such as electricity shortage and other issues related to that. So we have a class presentation. Our class presentation is a flip group, and we can see many students. This is my introduction to the class presentation, and welcome to those students that they already prepare their class presentation and introductions. They can continue working and they can do their presentation. And we continue with the video conference. We're gonna have it on Saturday at 9 a.m. Okay, so you just enter and then you go to the classroom. So our first unit is about the grammar translation method. So the grammar translation method is our first unit. And let's see, so we need a book, our textbook. So those are the resources, and the resources for this class is the book. So you can download the book. So the Diane Larsen Freeman book, just move into this link, and then you have the book, and then you can download the book in PDF. So you have the whole book there for you to work for free. Another resource is that we have some videos related to the grammar translation method. So we need to read and watch some videos about the grammar translation method to understand the method. In our Moodle classroom, we can move from here, or we can go in, this is the unit 1, and then we go to the unit 1, so we can move in this way. So we have videos and the textbook for this week, and we have the activities. The activities are the assignments, okay? Those are our assignments, okay? And we have 3 assignments for this week. First of all, so you're gonna enter, and I'm requiring a summary, but in a type of synthesis, okay? So you're going to summarize chapter 2. Why chapter 2 of the book? Yes, because in the book, when we go to the book, if we have it here, chapter 1 is an introduction. So we can see that chapter 1 is an introduction to the whole book and the whole tradition of teaching methodologies and methods, okay? So we're going to work with this book that you have for free, and you're going to summarize or synthesize. So while you read the book, so you can get, so it's very simple. So as a synthesis, what you have understood about the English teaching method, the grammar translation method, GTM. Very famous because it's the first method. It's not a method in a way, but it's a collection of methodology used by former teachers. So I'm just requiring 2-page long synthesis, and that means that you are not gonna copy everything. So you're gonna use your own words, and let's see in the final paragraph. So you are gonna add a conclusion. A conclusion is what you have learned, what that means for you after participating as a student in your program, career program, or a English program at UTESA. So you have a lot of ideas because you have experienced, or you have or participated with other professors, and you have grasped some techniques and methodologies from them. If you are an English teacher now, so you can share in your conclusion what is important for you, okay? Your comprehension, what you understood about the method, and if that method is valuable for you, or when you can apply the method as a teacher. Okay, everything is related as a teacher. This is our first assignment, a synthesis. Then we move to the second one, that is just a very simple we have orative creation. We have a multiple choice question. Okay, don't forget that is a question with some option, 3 or more. So it's a multiple choice question, only one, and you are gonna provide the answer as it says right here in the headline. So you have the headline, so you're gonna use bold, italic, color, or underline to show the answer, and it's worth 1 point. And then we move to right here is a forum. In that forum, you are going to contribute in some ways. First of all, we have the R, reflection. We are going to, after reading and summarizing, synthesizing the method and what you have understood about the methods, and then you have your ideas. So you're going to reflect about what is the method for you, and the positive things you find or negative things you encounter in the method, and how you can apply the method or any other ideas you have. Okay, so you're going to participate in this way, and that is the first point. And then we have the question. You're going to make a question to your classmate. The question can be answered for you or one of your e-mates. Okay, so you are not longer classmates, so you are e-mates for your e-mates, and then one of your e-mates is gonna provide the answer, or maybe you can provide the answer. This assignment is worth 3 points, and then we have 3 points here, and then we move to this one that is 1 point, so we are talking about 4, and then we have 3 points in this. Let's see if we have 3 points here. Let me check, and right here, yes, we have 3 points. Okay, for this first unit is very simple. So you're gonna read the grammar translation method, and then you're gonna participate in the assignments. So you have a synthesis with a conclusion in the final paragraph. So you have a multiple choice question, and finally, so you have a forum. In this forum, so you're going to participate in 3 ways: adding a reflection, a question valuable to you, and then answering your own question or the question of one of your e-mates. Very simple. So you see, and so we can see in the left that you can move in this way. So you have the units. So we are in unit 1. So I'm the teacher. I have the whole classroom is okay. So you have the whole classroom. Okay, we're gonna have in the coming future here our first exam, but it's not gonna be related to 30 points, as you know. So because we have right here 7 points out of the 30. Okay, and finally, so you can move here, and then you have your teacher's profile, and then you have your own profile, and then you can see that my profile is related to my studies and articles and dissertation and research I have made in the past, and they are published for free to you that you can learn all of them. This one is even my doctoral dissertation. So you can read my doctoral dissertation and other research I have. So just moving here, so in all those pages. So most of them are in this page. This is ResearchGate. ResearchGate is like a Facebook, but a Facebook for scientists. As I'm an educational scientist, so you can check my research. You know, the times people have read my research, or things I have published, articles and other issues, seminar workshops and other issues, and then you I would like that you check all of them if you like. It's like when you are in Facebook that you have a like, and if you check it, and then you can read a lot of things that I have published, and this is a plus because you can have idea about our field of instruction and our field of that is English language teaching, and I love teaching, and that's why I'm an English teacher. That was my dream, and I hope you can continue with this publishing, writing, so you can write and publish your articles if you prefer. If you have an idea, you can do it and you can publish. And then you know that this is our classroom, and the classroom is already open and settled for you. Okay, welcome. So this is the welcome and introduction video. Thank you. Bye bye.